back to We Love Orchids. Today we have a small unboxing, and this unboxing is actually going to be the first video for 2024. So we're a bit happy to be presenting this. We still have a few videos to upload from the end of December from 2023, so look out for those. Alright, so today we have a box from where?
From the Orchid Supply Store.
Orchid Supply Store. Cool, so we got supplies.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, she knows what it is, but now we're all going to know what it is. Nope, it's nice and smooth, so we'll cut anything. I'll put this down over here. Oh, I see a huge list. Alright, so we got...
So guys, what I ordered from Ken at Orchid Supply Store was some mounting wood and driftwood. So we'll let you know what type they are. And
we got this.
Oh, and I got this freebie too.
A
The
freebie?
charcoal. Yeah. Thank you, Ken.
Cool. What do you use charcoal for?
Well, I mixed it in my mix, you know, for my orchids or any plant. It's always good.
Here's a mount.
So this is one piece of mount. Let me see if I see the picture of what this one is.
It looks like
That is...
like a moon. No, I don't know.
I'm not sure if it's a pear or a hickory because I order hickory.
Ooh.
I order hickory and cherry and
This
pear.
is like driftwood.
This is a driftwood.
Really?
I thought it was pretty, yeah. See? It has like that dip in there. So beautiful.
I like that.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
Mm-hmm.
When I go metal detecting on the beach, sometimes I find really nice pieces of driftwood for my wife.
Yeah.
I'm going to be doing that a lot more this summer.
Yep.
Wow, this is a big piece. This one is labeled hickory.
Okay, good. So that's hickory. Yeah.
It has a good hickory smell too.
Because I ordered...
Do you ever smell the woods that they send you?
No.
Oh, this one you gotta be really careful with because I like that. It's
The
another
detail.
hickory.
Yeah. I ordered 3 hickories.
Cool.
So, yes.
Alright, you got... So that's number 2, I believe?
Number 2.
Alright.
Oh,
And
no, that's...
here's number 3.
That's hickory also? Yep.
Yeah.
So that's another hickory.
If you could tell, it has holes in it.
Yeah, Ken has, he always is detailed with that. Always he does holes.
Okay, that's for
You don't have to drill them. So 3 hickories.
I don't see anything else.
3 hickory. A driftwood. And this has to be the pear. Yep.
What do you mean by pear?
A pear wood. It's
Oh,
a
pear. I thought you meant
Yeah.
like pair of shoes.
No. It's a pear
My
mount.
mistake. So silly.
So these are all mounts that I'm going to be putting certain orchids on. Hopefully I'll do some
Right.
videos.
I'm gonna raise this table a little bit.
Yeah. I did win a mount from Ken a while ago, and I put a Epidendrum parkinsonianum, and it's loving it. It's growing a root, and it's attaching already. I'll probably do an update video on that if it flowers. If not, I'll just show it to you as it progresses once it flowers. But that one will be delayed.
I don't know if you could notice that because our tabletop is probably made of hickory.
Maybe.
So it kind of matches with the wood. But
Yeah, so I should have 5 pieces.
so let's do this.
That's
I'll hold this up.
Mm-hmm.
I'll hold this piece up. Show it that way. The pear wood. All right, so this is our unboxing for the Orchid Supply Store. So thank you for sending us these wonderful mounts.
And our freebie. We're not sponsored.
All right, so we love orchids, but we love mounts too. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing.
Be safe, guys. Bye.
All right.